This is the Milano Collection 9-inch Fringe Topper, or better known as the Fringe Bang Hair Topper. This hair topper is a great option if you're somebody who loves the look of bangs but doesn't want to commit to cutting your own hair, or if you're somebody who has a little bit of thinness around your face or in your front hairline and loves the look of bangs and is kind of looking for a smaller, low-density option to give you that fuller look. This would be a great choice for you as well. So of course you can wear this hair topper with the clips, but a really great feature that we created for this is the mini top grip. So wearing this topper with the mini top grip allows you to wear it without using the clips and gives you a much more comfortable option, especially if you're somebody who is purchasing a fringe topper because your hairline is thinning or you have thinner hair to begin with. Wearing it with the mini top grip is such a great choice. So the way that you use the mini top grip is by clipping it into the hair topper so that the hair topper does not have to be clipped into your hair. And putting it on is really simple. The first step is to put your bio hair in a low ponytail. This will act as a guide to show you where the clear elastic band should wrap around your head and touch at the nape of your neck. Then take the topper and hold it upside down, placing it on your forehead, holding it down with one hand and stretching the band around your head with the other. Make sure that clear elastic band goes over the ponytail and that it's laying flat behind both of your ears like a headband. Then you can take the topper and adjust it with your hands so that it's sitting in the right spot, making sure that the bangs are not too high or not too low. The easiest way to do this is by looking at yourself in the mirror. So adjust the hair topper to the position that you feel the best in. Lastly, you can take your hair out of the ponytail if you haven't done so already, and then blend and adjust the hair around your sideburns or around your temples that may have gotten caught underneath the clear elastic band. It's normal for your hair to get caught underneath the elastic band when you're putting on the topper. So all you have to do is remove the hair that is caught underneath the band so that the band lays flat against your skin. This step is really important because if there is hair caught underneath the band, the hair topper may not lay the right way and it won't feel as comfortable or look as natural and as seamless as it possibly could. So you can use your fingers or you can use a comb to simply release the hair that's caught underneath the band. Then you can use the comb to brush the top of your head so that the hair from the hair topper blends in with yours. And that's it. Instant bangs without the commitment and without extra damage to your hair by using the clips.